Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the D-Rich Show, where we talk anything and everything crypto. Now, here's your host, D-Rich.
Hey everybody, welcome to the D-Rich Show. This is D-Rich and today is February 5th, 2021. How's everybody doing on this Friday? Happy Friday, everyone. Hopefully everyone's doing well. Getting prepared for the weekend, doing some good, fun, new and exciting things. Hopefully you guys got some plans this weekend. But anyway, guys, thank you always for tuning in. Thank you for my subscribers, those who tune in every single day that a video is produced. I want to just say big shout out to you guys. And anyway, guys, I hope that you guys are keeping an eye on the market like I always do, because at the end of the day, you always want to get market trends and see how the market is operating consistently. Then you are able to kind of see the market in real time instead of kind of guessing. You know, you got to spend time with the market in order for you to understand it, to kind of, adjust and adapt to it. But anyway, guys, we're looking at that Bitcoin dominance dropping down there at 60%, okay, 60.4%. And, my thing is, I believe if it, gives up another 7% of dominance, we are in good shape with altcoins and other coins and other assets. So anyway, Bitcoin is still at number one, $37,505. Ethereum is pushing 1,700. Okay, setting an all-time high. So if you're in Ethereum, hold on to it. Okay, you got XRP sitting at 43 cents. We got some XRP news coming up here on the show today. Polkadot is at $20.34. Cardano moving up to 50 cents, 51 cents, up 19% in the last 24 hours. So guys, if you guys got into Cardano, I kind of questioned it for a long time. I was able to get in at 11 cents, 12 cents, and build me a bag up before it started really peaking. So, I do hold Cardano. Pretty much I hold almost every single one of these coins in the top 10, but a couple I don't. But anyway, I don't hold Bitcoin, and I surely don't hold Binance Coin. And you know what, I wish I did, because it's at $62 again. It's at number 9. Litecoin 151. Chainlink is at 25.81. And rounding out the top 10 is Bitcoin Cash 428 bucks, and Stellar at 34 cents. Binance Coin, we'll get into that later. I got a little article about that, and I'll end the show with Binance Coin today, and the reason why. Aave, very impressive here, very impressive. There's some impressive stuff going on with these DeFi tokens, ERC20 tokens. Things like that. They're, captivating right now. Don't go FOMOing in. Just let them retrace if there's something that you see. There's, gains to be had. So, be patient. Be patient with the market. Maker, another one. I could have got that, but some of these things I just didn't, get into. And I kick myself all the time because, we're tunnel vision for so long. Like Theta. I have some XEM. Look at Atom popping off at 30% in the last 24 hours. So if you hold some of these, congratulations. I'm happy for you, because these gains like VeChain, these things are, going bananas at the moment. And, again, the best is yet to come. Hold on to your seatbelts, and look at that. The graph, 93 cents. I got in on that. Some Algorand, things like that. But anyway, guys, we're going to go ahead and jump right into these articles. This is coming from Bitcoin.com, from Kevin Helms. Indian crypto industry Lawsons campaign urging lawmakers to dismiss crypto ban bill. Okay. Indian crypto exchanges have pulled their resources together and launched a campaign to gain support from as many parliament members as possible about cryptocurrency regulation. The crypto bill is listed to soon be introduced in parliament. It seeks to prohibit cryptocurrencies while creating a framework for the digital rupee to be issued by the Reserve Bank of India. Okay, so they're looking to bring about positive crypto regulations. It all depends on regulations about, here in the United States as well. So I want to cover this because not only are we looking for regulation, there's other countries looking for regulations. And I think that, if there, is some unison when it comes to, how they frame this as far as getting clarity, then, the sky's the limit for other countries as well, especially if they're, poorer countries. I'm not saying India is poor because I believe that they got a lot of rich resources, things like that. And I think that would help, some of the issues with the farmers, things like that going on today. Anyway, the Indian government plans to introduce the cryptocurrency bill entitled the Cryptocurrency and Regulation of Official Digital Currency Bill of 2021 during the current session of Parliament. This bill seeks to create a regulatory framework for the digital rupee to be issued by the central bank while prohibiting private cryptocurrencies. The crypto industry in India has experienced a massive boom, and over 20 million Indian citizens has trusted the crypto market by investing in cryptocurrencies. One email details. And I'll go ahead and read this quote right here. It's incorrect belief that RBI creating his own crypto removes the need for other cryptocurrencies. Existing cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ether, etc. have their own specific use cases. Every blockchain needs its own native token to operate. INR cannot be used in such cases. So when they're talking about stable coins, things like that, those are cryptocurrencies that are, exchangeable for, like a one for one or, stable as far as that's concerned. People are looking for gains. And I do believe that, Pundi, NPXS is a good cryptocurrency token where you're going to accumulate a lot of it. This other article from AMB Crypto, Reserve Bank of India to announce decision on CBDC very soon. And I quoted this person a couple weeks ago in the highlights video for XRP. So if you're listening to that, go ahead and give us a follow and a subscribe over there. I'll leave that in the description. But anyway, this article is about the digital currency, CBDC. And again, we're just going to follow up with this article from the last article. India could see a central bank digital currency very soon, as reports confirm that an internal committee is taking a close look at a digital version of the Indian rupee. The Reserve Bank of India is currently evaluating the introduction of a central bank digital currency. As the deputy governor of the RBI, BP Kanongo, stated that a decision on the matter will be announced very soon, according to recent reports. Governor Das told reporters on Friday that so they're looking to get some of this stuff ironed out over there in India, and that's a large population there, and I think that there's a lot to be had in the crypto world when we spread it around in other countries. This is coming from the Cryptopolitan News, which is neutral and authentic news. Ripple price prediction: XRP peaks at 48 cents, slowly prepared for further upside. Iglis Lapins wrote this article here. XRP supported around 35 cents, and the USD trades around 38 cents. The first resistance for XRP is still at 50 cents. Today's Ripple price prediction is neutral as the market starts to consolidate again after moving above 40 cents resistance. So, there's, we'll see what happens with the price. Okay, right now we just went over the price in the coin market cap. Ripple price prediction. It prepares for further upside. Do we know that? I hope so. We all want to see XRP move up. Okay, it's open at 44, and after a breakout, this is coming from article that was written yesterday or earlier today. Breaking from the previous mentioned resistance around 40 cents. Right now, XRP USD consolidates once again, indicating that Ripple is preparing. I don't like when they use Ripple. XRP is preparing for another move. The direction is still not clear. However, considering how sharp the drop was previously, XRP should see further upside, at least to the 50 cent price mark. Okay. So I'm not a chart guy, but it does look like, we've been able to go up, come down, and the money is actually flowing, and there's a lot of volatility happening with XRP, which is confusing to some people, but at the same time, it's good for people like myself who likes to see these movements, because what that means is that the liquidity is starting to move around. It's just like, you have a glass of water that's just staying still. You drink it, and then you put it down. There's a little ripple. There's a little, wave before it settles down. But if you shake it up, the water and the waves are getting kind of rough and stuff like that. So, I'm happy to see volatility hitting the market, but I don't want to see fake volume or fake manipulation when it comes to trying to move the price. I want it to be organic as possible. Okay. Anyway, moving forward, we got RippleNet bags SOC-2 certification. This has come again from Cryptopolitan News, which is neutral and authentic news from EBNYS. This is dated February 5th, 2021, and I'll read some of it. Ripple reported massive growth in adoption and transaction volume on its cloud service. Additionally, its RippleNet is now SOC-2 certified, regardless of the recent U.S. charges announced against Ripple. The blockchain company has continued to strengthen its reputation in the crypto industry. Its global payment network, RippleNet, has reportedly bagged a system of organization controls 2, which is SOC-2 certification, which stands to attest security standards. Meanwhile, the company also announced that its RippleNet cloud recorded massive growth last year. Okay, the SOC-2 recognition is expected to draw in more financial institutions into Ripple's payment networks. So, again, guys, let's go see what this Ripple SOC-2 certification means. It is more like a seal of approval when it calls for high security and privacy standards. The SOC-2 examination is conducted by an independent CPA to certify the excellence of a particular company in terms of privacy and security. So having such certification means that RippleNet products are highly security and privacy standards. They meet them. Perhaps in addition to boosting the level of confidence for Ripple products, the certification should prompt more banks and payment services companies to use Ripple services. So guys, this is huge. This is big news. I'm bagging that up right before this SEC makes a decision on this lawsuit. And this is coming from the Daily Hodl. Okay. And former SEC official says there's a good chance agency loses its case against Ripple and XRP. And here's why. Former U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission Executive Joseph Hall thinks there's a strong chance the SEC loses case against Ripple. Again, guys, this is all political theater. This is all financial theater. And it's all in one big melting pot. And it'll all be smoothed out and worked out all at one time. So pay attention to what's going on. He argues that a judge reviewing the lawsuit is likely to be influenced by the fact that the case doesn't seem to have been involving any imminent investor harm. The judge might just say, if XRP was a problem, you've known about XRP since 2012. Why now? What is going on here? So I think we start out with the XRP case with a factual posture that may not be the best for the SEC. So I think that there's a good chance, I can't give you a percentage on that, I think there's a good chance that the SEC loses this one. Hall made headlines recently after publishing an opinion piece arguing that the regulatory body's lawsuit against Ripple highlights the overall need for clarity in the crypto asset industry. So guys, if and when this is done, I believe it'll be done in short order. Once we get clarity, it gives clarity not only for XRP and Ripple, but it also gives clarity for majority of the crypto space. So we're looking for clarity. We need the clarity, and once we get it, we're golden. We're in good shape. So hold on to your assets, hold on to your XRP while the prices are still dropping and moving around under $1. Try to continue to accumulate on different exchanges that might have it available. Okay, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I would just go ahead and recommend trying to get your bags filled, as many as you can, because at the end of the day, if XRP is $1, that means one XRP is $1. It doesn't matter. Okay, so I mean, yes, we got a dollar cost average, things like that as well. Moving forward, we got Joe Biden withdraws Judy Shelton's Fed nomination. This is coming from The Hill, and I'll go ahead and read a little bit of it. President Biden on Thursday formally withdrew Judy Shelton's nomination to the Federal Reserve Board, closing the book on her quest to join the central bank. Okay, let's just say that it's okay. She doesn't need to be part of the central bank. Okay, we know what the central bank is about. This again is all about putting people out there so people know who they are. You got Yellen, who you can do some research on, who has, a background that is not so good when it comes to, taking bribes, stuff like that. So when you start seeing people, don't get distracted by them needing to be brought out into the light as far as who they are, what they've done, and you start seeing these people get exposed for their bad doings and their doings with others. I know it kind of sounds crazy, but it's the truth. So Trump announced in 2019 that he would nominate Shelton, a former campaign advisor to the Fed board, after Senate Republicans rejected 4 of his previous picks. She was formally nominated in early 2020 and narrowly approved for a confirmation vote by the Senate Banking Committee last July, despite GOP concerns about her criticism of Fed independence, past support for the gold standard, and inconsistent views on monetary policy. Remember, Judy Shelton said that we're going to have a gold standard in a cryptocurrency type of way. I don't think that she was able to make that statement without having some role to play at some point in time. Everyone has a role to play, and certain people you'll see come back up later because their time in the movie hasn't come full-fledged yet. So they'll come in, and you'll see later that she'll get nominated somehow, some way. You just hold on to it, because if you have someone who loves the gold standard and can figure out that in a cryptocurrency type of way, We're looking for that because I haven't heard any of these other people talking in that regards, because she wants to go back to sound money. Anyway, guys, let's go ahead and see what Elon Musk is talking about. He's been on a tear when it comes to dropping little hints or nuggets on Twitter. This is coming from the Daily Hodl. Are Elon Musk's crypto antics having a major impact on the markets? Study analyzes billionaire's effect on Bitcoin and Dogecoin. A new study is shining light on the link between Elon Musk tweets and the ebb and flow of the crypto markets. The study from Blockchain Research Labs analyzes 6 Bitcoin and Dogecoin related tweets from the billionaire tech entrepreneur. The results show that Musk tweets can have an immediate and pronounced impact on the industry. The key to how large the impact of each tweet will be, according to the research, depends on whether Musk is reacting to activity that is already happening in the market, or if he is independently sharing a thought out of the blue. Okay, so similarly, Musk tweet of just one word, Doge, resulted in an increase of average trading volume from about 9 trades per minute to about 775 trades per minute within 30 minutes. So he does have an impact. That's a significant increase. That's almost 770% right there. So at any rate, Elon, if you hear me, if you've been listening to me, hey, tweet it out. Keep tweeting it out. Matter of fact, you could go ahead and tweet that XRP is coming. But anyway, I told you I would talk to you guys about that Binance Coin. This is coming from AMB Crypto. Binance Coin sets an all-time high, hits 60. We just talked about it at $61, $62. This is coming from Askanaf Samokar. Sorry if I pronounced the name wrong. And I told you yesterday, if you listened to the video, that I was mildly impressed with this Binance Coin. And I'm, not sure why I didn't get on it. Maybe I might buy a couple of them, a few of them, if it goes down a little bit, if it retraces. Binance Coins hit the $60 price level and set a historic milestone as the exchange token records a near 70% increase over the past year. The market was strongly bullish on BNB, was no exception as it followed in the wake of the gains posted by the leaders of the crypto rally, Bitcoin and Ethereum. That chart is moving sweet. Okay. The gains of BNB reflect positively on the crypto exchange Binance. The exchange is one of the largest in the world and recorded its highest daily trading volume of 80 billion. It has over 900 trading pairs, making it the largest exchange in the world with both huge trading volume as well as a large variety of trading pairs offered. However, around 24 hours ago, the exchange faced an outage as activity surged. So guys, I talked to you guys about this coin, how impressed I am with the BNB token. But I would just also talk to you about the Nexo token. The Nexo token will be one of these BNB type coins. So if there's an exchange coin and the exchange gets traction and popularity, those are the coins that I would, try to hold on to. Not a whole lot, but some. But I do have some Nexo tokens, and we can see that the price has risen over $1, almost $2 with the Nexo token. So anyway, guys, again, do your own due diligence with your research. Try to build your portfolio out the best way you know how. Take your time and look from this part of the year and look at the end of the year and see where you're at. Okay, you can't, put the cart before the horse. We just got to strive every single day to build, to think, to grow, and make sure that we're doing our due diligence of making sure we're building that thing out. Okay, like I said, I like to build multiple portfolios, and I'm building a new one on Hotbit. and we're going to see how that goes. But anyway, guys, that's my time for today's show. I hope that you enjoyed some of the content that I was able to provide. Make sure you guys hit the like button, the subscribe button if you're new, as well as the notification bell. Again, I try to get these videos out anywhere between 12 p.m. and 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And if I'm late, my apologies up front in advance. But I'm going to work hard as possible to make sure I put these out for you guys. All right. Anyway, have a wonderful weekend. Spend time with family and friends if you can. Again, as always, do something fun, new, and exciting. God bless. Take care. And as always, treat everyone with class, dignity, and respect. Bye-bye.